So, good morning dear student. Welcome to my channel CC Thakur. In last video we discussed the part 1 translation of this chapter Upakar Hatasthu Kartavya. Today we will discuss second part of this translation. Okay. In this part we will discuss only translation. In the next video we will discuss exercise of this chapter. Favor is to be done or Upakar Hatasthu Kartavya. So before we start the chapter, before you watch the video, it's my request to subscribe to my channel because it is very helpful for you. During exam you are facing problem, you are asking me sir provide this video and provide that video, so you are facing lot of problem. So to avoid that problem, subscribe to my channel. It is compulsory to subscribe for everyone. Okay, so let's start. And let me remind you, after attempting to murder Basant Sena, Sakar tried to put the blame on Sarvilak. But Sarvilak, with the help of village people, is trying to catch and hold of Sakar. Now Sakar, after running and rushing, has come to Charudat to take rescue, to take help from him. Now Sakar has come near Charudat. So he is giving, Sarvilak is giving, he is a sinful person. I mean Sakar is a sinful person. He should be given any one of the punishment. And in the last video we discussed 3 type of punishment. So he is asking Charudat which punishment he should be given. Charudat is saying, will you do whatever I will say? Kim aham yad brabhimi tatkriyate. Will you do whatever I will say? Sarvilak is saying, Kotra sandeh, what doubt is there in this matter? Charudat, Satyam, is it true? Are you ready to follow my order? Sarvilak is saying, Satyam, it's true. Charudat is saying, Yadi evam sigram ayam. Yadi evam, if it is like this, sigram ayam, immediately he should be. Kim hanyatam, should he be killed? Nahi nahi, no no, muchatam, he should be freed. I mean, if you are ready to follow me, and he agreed with him. Sarvilak agreed with the condition Charudat. So Charudat is finally saying, no, he should be freed him. He should be freed. I mean, you should free him. Then let's see the translation. Will you do whatever I say? What doubt is there in this matter? Is it true? Yes, it is true. Then immediately he should be. Then he left his sentence incomplete. Will he be killed? Shall we kill him? No, he should be freed. I mean, he was agreed with this problem, with this consent of Charudat. So finally he has to accept. Sarvilak is saying, Kimartham? Why? Why is he to be freed? Why should we free him? Charudat is saying, Shatru Krutaprata. If an enemy has committed any crime, Saranam Upetya, if he has surrendered to us, Padoyo Patati, if he falls at the feet, Shastrena Nahantabam, he should not be killed by the weapon. If an enemy, after committing any crime, come to surrender to us and falls at the feet, then he should not be killed by enemy weapon. Evam, is it like this? Tariso bhi khadyatam. He should be eaten by the dogs. One of the option which was given by Sarvilak to Charudat was that we should cut down into pieces by the blood and we should throw him in front of the dog. So he is saying, Evam, is it like this? Tariso bhi khadyatam, then he should be eaten by the dogs. Charudat saying, no. Upakar hatastu karjava. See, previously the stanza was incomplete. So he is completing his stanza Upakar hatastu kartava. That is the title of the chapter. Upakar hatastu kartava. I mean, he should be given favor. I mean, if an enemy, after committing the mistake, if he surrender to us and falls at the feet, and he should not be killed by the weapons, rather he should be freed. I mean, we should favor to him. Oh, Asyaryam, Sarvilak is saying, oh, Asyaryam, oh, what a great surprise. Kim Karami, what shall I do now? Badatu Arya. Sir, please tell me what should I do? Sarvilak is saying, oh, Ascharya, oh, Asyaryam, oh, it is surprising. Kim Karami, what shall I do now? Badatu Arya. Sir, please tell me. Okay, now translation is written here, same way. Sarvilak is saying, why he should be freed? Charudat is saying, if any enemy, after committing any crime, come to surrender and falls at the feet, then he should not be killed by any weapon. Then Sarvilak is asking, is it like this? Then he should be thrown in front of the dog for eating. No, he should be favored or he should be freed. Oh, it is really surprising. What shall I do now? Respected sir, please tell. I mean, Sarbleg is expecting one more option. What kind of punishment he should be given? Let's see what Sarvata is saying finally. Tan muchyatam, then he should be freed. Mukta bhavatu. Sarbleg is agreed with him and he is saying Mukta bhavatu, let him be free. I mean, we will free him. Sakar, Ascharyam, it is surprised. Pratyujivitavasmi, I have got my life back, because he did not expect, he did not imagine that he will be freed by these people. So he is getting surprised and saying, I have really got my life back. Iti Purushaisa Nishranda. Then he went with the people. Then translation is written here. So you have to read, and I am providing the PDF also. So do it in your notebook, write it down. And please remember, if any query in understanding, watch the video again and again, and translation also I am giving you, that also you have to read it out. If any query still, then please contact me. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice time.